Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, and I asked, what do you need to let go of so you can bring your manifestation in fast? And the Nine of Swords came through, and this is all about the nightmare in the mind, the monkey mind, the overthinking. So this tells me that there's things that you want to manifest, okay, and that's great. But your mind is overthinking these things, and it's going into that monkey mind, in the head, the nightmare, am I going to be able to do this? It's not going to happen for me. I'm never going to get what I want. I'm never going to manifest the things that I want, as if I'm going to be able to do that, blah, 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 blah. And the mind goes on. And so the message today is you need to let go of that, right? You need to really, connect with your heart. And one of the best ways to do that is put your hand on your heart and actually connect in with your body and try and calm that mind down. You might want to meditate, right? That can really help to calm those thoughts down and calm that mind down. And maybe even just some grounding, going outside in nature, getting that monkey mind, that nightmare in the mind to calm down. It's just that ego, scared part of ourselves that's afraid of our manifestations, and it's just trying to stop you from being disappointed. It's trying to keep you safe. There's a whole different range of reasons of why you could be having, the mind go over and over in that nightmare, overthinking, all of that kind of thing for many, many different reasons. But this is what you need to let go of, okay? If you want to manifest the things into your life that you want, you need to get some sort of control over that overactive mind of yours. So let it go, connect in with your heart, calm the mind any which way you can. There is actually also, I will mention here, some flower essences that can help with that as well. Feel free to comment below and I can let you know about them. They're really powerful in being able to calm that mind down, because the more calmer the mind, the more centered you are in your body, the more grounded you are, and the more open you are to receiving the manifestations that you want to bring into your life. Because in that fear state, you're in that lower frequency, and that's not where your manifestations are. They're where your manifestations are not, and you need to be able to calm that down. So I hope this has been helpful. Let me know in the comments if it has, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.